Welcome to my YouTube channel, your ultimate source for tips/tricks named Master Thecraft.
So hey everyone, as you saw, the intro of my video is created by an AI software and it's all done by a script which I provided to that AI, and little bit of background changes and everything worked hella fine. So in this video I'll tell you how you can do or replicate the same, which is pretty easy and you don't need to have like a professional level of knowledge in AI or like video editing. It's pretty easy. So let's begin. So what you gotta do is you gotta come to the website named app.eli.io. I'll provide the link in the description box below. After that, you can use GPT-3, generate from URL, e-commerce. There's so many options. If you go for GPT-3, you just have to provide title of the video basically, and it will automatically generate the video for you by just the title you provide to this bot. But we're not doing that. We're going for the script option. So I'll go with all templates. So after this, you gotta select any template, whichever character you wanna use. Just select the template. There's so many templates in it. I'll go for the YouTube intro one. After doing that, you gotta adjust your video, like the changes, the background and everything you want.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, your ultimate source for tips/tricks named Master Thecraft.
But one thing you would be concerned by now that you're not seeing the character moving. So that's because we haven't rendered the video yet. So you just gotta wait till we finish everything, the editing, the background, the text, the script, everything what we want. Just do it first, and once you have done this, you'll render the video, and after you render the video you'll see the magic. So I know you have seen the intro. That's the video which I rendered and I put it on the intro part of my video. That's what is gonna happen with this, whatever I'm creating. So after that you're done, you gotta click render and everything will be done after this. Now the rendering part takes a lot of time, sometimes can take up to 5, 10, 15 minutes, depends on the size of the video you're creating. It's a small video which I've created. Basically it will take like 4 or 5 minutes. I don't think so it will take more than that, so I'll skip to that part when it's done. So it's done right now, and as you can see the video is created. I'll play it again even though you have seen on the intro, so you can listen to this.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, your ultimate source for tips/tricks named Master Thecraft.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more tricks and tips like this.